Have you ever pondered the process of acquiring a court order in India? It might seem like a daunting task, but in reality, it's a straightforward procedure involving several key steps. Today, we dive into this intriguing process, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-understand stages. The first stage involves identifying the type of court order required. In India, there are several types of court orders, each serving a different purpose. These can range from restraining orders, injunction orders, to custody orders, among others. It's crucial to know the exact type of court order needed, as each carries its unique requirements and procedures. The second stage is to engage a lawyer. While it's possible to go through this process alone, having a lawyer by your side can significantly simplify the process. A lawyer can provide valuable advice, guide you through the legal jargon, and ensure that your rights are protected throughout the process. The third stage is to file a petition. This is essentially a formal request to the court asking for a particular order. The petition must be clear, concise, and contain all the necessary details. It should outline the nature of the case, the reasons for seeking the order, and any evidence that supports the request. The fourth stage is the court hearing. After filing the petition, the court will schedule a hearing. During the hearing, both parties will have the opportunity to present their case. This is where the evidence is presented, witnesses are called, and arguments are made. The fifth stage is the judge's decision. After hearing all the evidence and arguments, the judge will make a decision. The judge may grant the order, deny it, or ask for more information before making a decision. The final stage is the issuance of the court order. If the judge decides in your favor, the court will issue the order. This order is legally binding, and failure to comply can result in serious consequences. In summary, acquiring a court order in India involves 6 key steps: identifying the type of order, engaging a lawyer, filing a petition, attending the court hearing, awaiting the judge's decision, and finally, the issuance of the order. While this may seem like a complex process, understanding these steps can make it much more manageable. Remember, a good lawyer can be your best ally in navigating this process, ensuring that your rights are protected every step of the way.